First DUI offense. A first DUI arrest in San Diego can feel overwhelming, and understanding the law helps you protect yourself. California Vehicle Code Section 23152, A, bans driving under the influence of alcohol, while Section 23152, B, forbids driving with a blood alcohol concentration of 0.08% or higher. Prosecutors often file both charges from one arrest to increase the chance of a conviction. After arrest, police take your license and issue a temporary 30-day permit. You then have only 10 days to request a DMV hearing or your license will be automatically suspended. Missing this deadline results in losing your driving privileges for months, so act promptly and consult a defense lawyer and attorney. The DMV hearing is separate from the criminal case and occurs at a DMV office. A hearing officer decides whether law enforcement had reasonable cause to stop you and whether your BAC met the legal limit or you refused testing. Requesting the hearing within 10 days allows you to keep driving until the hearing concludes. Missing the deadline triggers automatic suspension. Penalties for a first DUI conviction include up to 6 months in county jail, fines and assessments around $1,600 to $2,300, a DUI education program of 3, 6, or 9 months, 3 to 5 years of probation, and possible community service. Additional costs such as program fees, higher insurance premiums, and lost wages make a first DUI expensive. The DMV may suspend your license for 6 months, impose a 1-year suspension if you refuse chemical testing, or allow restricted driving with an ignition interlock device that requires a clean breath sample before the car starts. Aggravating factors like a high BAC, excessive speed, having a child passenger, causing an injury accident, or refusing a chemical test led to harsher penalties. A DUI conviction can harm employment opportunities, professional licenses, security clearances, education, housing, and insurance because schools, landlords, and insurers often ask about criminal history and may raise premiums or deny coverage. Non-citizens face additional risks because multiple DUIs with injury, drug-related DUIs, or probation violations can trigger immigration consequences. The conviction stays on your record permanently, but you can petition for expungement after completing probation. However, it remains on your DMV record and counts as a prior offense. Defenses include negotiating plea bargains to reduce the charge to wet reckless or dry reckless, filing motions to suppress evidence from illegal stops or improper tests, and taking the case to trial to challenge sobriety tests, chemical test accuracy, or procedural errors. Criminal court and DMV proceedings are independent. Criminal court requires proof beyond a reasonable doubt, while the DMV hearing uses a lower standard and can suspend your license even if you prevail in court. Refusing a breathalyzer or chemical test triggers an automatic 1-year license suspension and allows prosecutors to use your refusal as evidence. A first DUI can cost more than $10,000 when fines, program fees, insurance hikes, DMV reinstatement fees, and lost wages are included. A skilled DUI attorney or lawyer files your DMV hearing request on time, scrutinizes police reports, challenges chemical tests, and builds a strong defense. Choosing the right law firm ensures you receive hands-on representation and guidance throughout both criminal and DMV proceedings. This law firm provides comprehensive support for first-time offenders, negotiates favorable resolutions, and fights to reduce penalties or dismiss charges. Call the law offices of Anna R. Yum at 619-233-4433 for a free consultation and immediate assistance. Law offices of Anna R. Yum, 619-233-4433, 501 W Broadway, Ste 1660, San Diego, California, 92101.